time again, guys. We all know that it is coming up to Thanksgiving in America. You know, in America they normally do a lot of turkey, a lot of chicken, beef, also other roasts. But I feel like I would do a roast dinner tonight. And you know what I mean, just to share with you guys that you can do a roast chicken also for Thanksgiving Day in America. Just to support, and you know what I mean, Jamaica, they're near to America, you know what I mean. I'm from Jamaica and I love America, you know what I mean. So guys, hopefully you will love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Though I live in England, but you know what I mean, we have to support America, you know what I mean. We love America and we support them. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Leave your comments. It's an easy roast chicken for Thanksgiving in America. We love you guys, and
nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again, guys. It's amazing. You know, tomorrow is American, you know what I mean, Thanksgiving Day. But I want to simply say to you, you know what I mean, it's normally turkey America normally do for their gift for them Thanksgiving Day. But today I feel like I would do some chicken for, you know what I mean, just to support American Thanksgiving Day. But anyway, I just brought a big chicken, you know what I mean, really nice sized chicken, and wash it off with some lemon juice, or if you're gonna use some vinegar, you can remove some of the fat out of it and some of the bits and pieces where you don't need. I need to wish I already did that, take off some of the fat and some of the, you know what I mean, clean it up really nice. But as you can see, it's just an older chicken. I want to do something very easy and simple, you know what I mean, roast chicken for Thanksgiving Day in America. Big support for them for tomorrow. Basically what we're going to do, we want to get it marinated and put it down for roughly about 6 hours before we put it straight inside of the oven. So let's get it marinated, put it down for 6 hours, and then we put it straight inside of the oven. So first of all, olive oil. That's one of the key point, olive oil. I like my olive oil. You can see it how bright it is. That's olive oil, guys. Really nice. Second thing, what we're gonna do, make sure you put on the gloves on your hand, guys. I did a roast chicken a couple weeks ago. But you know me, always I put on chicken, guys, you know what I mean? We always I find something to do with chicken. So we're gonna do a roast today, and it's gonna be simple. First of all, I have some fresh garlic, which I just chop up roughly about 7 cloves of garlic. Really chop up very fine, guys. And I'm gonna simple pour it on it like that. I got some white onion, which I'm cutting up at the moment. I'm using a large white onion straight on top of it, and I'm gonna use all of my white onion, guys, just to get it the right and proper way. Alright. Second thing, I have some spring onion, and I'm gonna use the whole of my spring onion, because when I do my roast chicken in my kitchen, this is the real Chef Ricardo marinated. Get it seasoned the right and proper way. Alright. I have some red onion, and I'm gonna put some red onion also up on top of it. Red onion to give it a flavor. A lot of people say, oh, they don't use red onion. They're joking. Second thing, we're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. A tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Some straight down in the stomach. Paprika is a must. I love to use paprika. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of paprika, because the paprika give it a nice, lovely color and a nice look. Alright? Then second thing, just some chicken seasoning is really good. Put some chicken seasoning on it, get it marinated, put some down in the stomach. Nice and lovely. And also I got some ginger, coriander and garlic. All of them mixed together. Look a bit of that. You don't need no salt, because these seasoning do come with a lot of salt, guys. I got some fresh thyme, which I have prepared long time. Put some fresh thyme in it just to get the flavor of the thyme. Simple, just break it up like this. Put it straight inside of it like that. Really nice. Then we all know that when we're doing roast chicken, is a must. Sometimes a lot of people don't like to use it, but for me personally, I like to use, I said, butter on my roast chicken. Because what they do now, what the butter do, give it a nice, lovely. So I'm using a large spoon of butter. As you can see, that's a lot of butter. So what you normally do, rub up a chicken like this with butter. You guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing here. So make sure this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna rub up the chicken. Alright? Down in the stomach, I have half of a red onion. I push it down in the stomach like this. Make it cook out down in there. Put some of the seasoning down in there also. So we are gonna marinate the chicken and put it down for 6 hours. Alright? Rub it up with the butter and everything. So what the butter gonna do, make it get crispy on the outside when it's in the oven. Preheat the oven first. That's one of the key points when you're doing roast chicken. Alright? As you can see, looking lovely and nice so far. Alright. So we are doing a Thanksgiving roast chicken. Alright? So this is the way how you marinate the chicken, guys. Really soak with a lot of garlic, thyme, spring onion, and all them things there. Put some butter on the outside, and I use a lot of butter pan, as you can see. Lovely and nice. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this for 6 hours for it to soak. I'm just gonna put it straight in my fridge, just cover it and put it in my fridge for 6 hours, guys. So as you can see, that's all the seasoning, butter and every little thing I use on it. All of those seasonings already have salt. You don't need no salt. Remember, you don't need the salt. All you need to do is just put on some garlic and a whole heap of thyme and spring onion. Marinate them up with some whole heap of fresh seasoning. And put a little bit of chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and paprika. That's it. And some butter. Done and dusted. Guys, put down this for 6 hours, make it soak. Alright? Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So it is 6.5 hours now since I've been soaking and marinate up my chicken and everything ready. Remember, it's American Thanksgiving Day where I'm preparing something, but now I didn't do turkey, but we are doing an easy, simple roast chicken today. For tomorrow, guys, that's the guys can start, because tomorrow is a holiday in America and everyone gonna be off and cooking up a whole heap of food. Some people don't like turkey and some people like chicken. Alright, so basically my chicken is soaked up and everything. Put it straight in the pan like this. I put it on a piece of grease-proof paper. Get all of those seasoning and everything. When the guys see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with this chicken. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. But you don't see anything else. I'm gonna share a little bit of secret with you guys. And next thing what you can do when you're cooking chicken. Alright, this is a next thing. Get a little bit of water and simply pour it on top of the chicken like this. So what it do, it keep the chicken moisture and soak without you just keep the chicken moisture and everything. As you can see, the chicken don't dry out. Alright, then I got some carrot, 2 medium-sized carrot. Just gonna simple put it around it. Help me hold it down. Nice one. Let's take off it. The excess piece of paper on the outside of it. Nice one. So, as I said, preheat your oven. That's one of the main things you need to do. As you can see, that's the lovely chicken, which is just marinated and thing. Preheat your oven. That's one of the main things you need to do. Gas mark 9 or 8 is good. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for 1 hour. So we're gonna roast the chicken for one proper good hour. And I'm telling you guys, this is gonna serve with some potato and some veg. Alright, enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Thanksgiving Day roast chicken. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven, guys. Roughly 45 minutes, almost an hour having at the oven. You can see how it's looking so fantastic and lovely. We're gonna share it out, cut up some pieces off it. You know what I mean? Thanksgiving Day in America, we do a roast chicken, serve some potato and some veg. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Hopefully we can do better in the future. Still friends seeing you guys to show you how nice thing is. So it's just beautiful and enjoy it. See you next time, guys. Nice and lovely. I just shared it out, guys, and look on it. Just amazing. This is Thanksgiving Day in America recipe. Yasha pudding, roast potato, roast sweet potato. We got broccoli sprout, we got carrot, and also some broccoli and the roast chicken. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And this is some fresh homemade Yasha pudding. Really nice and simple, easy to make, effective, guys. As you can see, this is the dinner roast. Really lovely. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Idea, don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorrel, so a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you the next time. Bye bye.